I'm going to show you how to install the setup ink cartridges in your printer. So we have to take the ink cartridges out. So simply tear it. Also remove the orange seal which you see here. Also make sure you remove the orange seal. Ink cartridge chamber door is just below the scanner. So you will see there are handles here. So you just have to simply lift this section up and you will see the ink cartridge chamber will move to its position. So black will go to the black side and color will go to the color side. Simply place the ink cartridge here and just slide it in. It will lock. So you just have to place it here and push it forwards until it locks, and close the ink cartridge chamber door. Thanks for watching.